While it's in there, I just want to remind you this is principally designed for a flat bottom pool, so do not be surprised if it motors itself down into the deep end and then it can't get itself back up into the shallow end. Not too many have been able to do that are designed for flat bottom pools, but I am enthused because of the wheels on this. I think it might actually make it. Also, another reason why I'm enthused is it has 3 motors in it. Like 3 motors. So that's going to be a lot of quality suction as well as drive power available for it to get back. Another cool difference about this one than most of them in the market is it actually has a brush on the bottom, a rotating brush, which is really pretty much uniquely different. I'll show you that when I take it out of the pool. Another uniquely different thing that it actually has dual filtration. It has a basket for catching the large debris, and it also has a separate filter for the small debris. Now, it will be interesting to see how it does in the pool here because this is Southern Florida. It is a zillion degrees, but we have a full cage here. So I don't get a lot of leaves and that kind of debris, but we do get sand, and sand is the hardest thing for these robots to pick up. So if we have some sand in there, it's going to be really pretty impressive. Final thing that you want to know is it will run for about 2 hours. They say 130 minutes, a little over 2 hours, which should be enough to clean the pool that it's designed to clean without an issue. But again, we're going to let it run here till the battery dies, and then we'll pull it out, see what we find. All right, let's come back a little later, see what we find. As you can see, it has done what it was supposed to. It went to a wall and stopped there. Only problem is with my pool, there's kind of no access to that wall, but I got a nice long hook. Let's send it down, grab it, see what it got today. Now I am going to tell you, just so there are no surprises when we open it up, this pool is professionally cleaned once a week. And then I am busy doing live streams and demonstrations of pool robots like all the time through the course of the week. So there is very little actual dirt in this pool, hopefully. We should have some sand and basic kind of debris like that. Maybe a little dog hair because my dog's very fluffy, but there will be no leaves or anything like that. We're in a cage here in Florida, but the real measure is if there is sand in here, it has done a phenomenal job because you know how hard it is to get sand out of a pool. Before we get too wildly into this, I wanted to show you, we discussed this while we were watching it go. Look, it has this scrubbing brush, which is really pretty unique. I don't know that I've ever seen something like this on a similar model, right? On something designed for a flat bottom, larger flat bottom pool. Maybe on some of the more sophisticated, big ones, yes, but not on something like this. So let's open it up. So as we just, oh, look, there is sand here. Look at the sand. I don't know if you could see that or not. Look at the sand. I am feeling really good about this, right? Because if there's sand here, there should be sand in there. And as I said, that is the hardest thing for these robots to get out of here. So let's take it out, see what we see in here. There. Oh boy, we have a winner chicken dinner. Check this out. Not only do we have a whole bunch of sand, I think you can see that there. Whole bunch of sand, ton more sand and debris, a ton more sand and debris back there in the back. And then look at this dog hair and glumpy stuff. Where did that come from? That is really yucky. I am so glad that is not in my pool anymore. Again, there was no way, I did not think it was going to come up with that. I think the only thing I can credit this with is that scrubbing brush. That scrubbing brush has to be like agitating and bringing up the sand off the bottom there. Let's see what the other filter looks like. I'm just curious. Here's the other filter for the fine particles. It's definitely a little discolored, but nothing tremendous, which doesn't surprise me at all. Overall, I am super impressed with what this collected. Without a doubt, that is well in excess of anything I expected this to get out. I am actually stunned impressed with what this has done. I'm sitting here in this weird position because if I go like that, my face goes in the shadow. So I'm here in the sun. It's very late in the day. It has been a long day and it has been a successful day. So I'm going to say, number one, if you haven't subscribed yet or followed this channel, please, it's so important for us. It helps the channel. It makes a big difference. So hit that subscribe button, give us a like, and put a comment in. Be the first person to comment. Let us know, do you have a robot like this? Are you looking at this robot? Are you looking at any kind of robot? Do you have a flat pool, above ground, below? I don't know, talk to us. Start the conversation. You'll be the center of it all. Put that comment down there. Additionally, if you look below, or if you look in the comments, you will find links to get this directly if you want. It's probably right at the bottom of the screen, depending upon which venue you're looking at it on. Worst case, it is in the comments. Overall, I gotta say, I am ultra impressed with this. This has been a good day. I like when I get impressed by something like this. I hope this was helpful. We'll see you next time.